Everything looks good.
Yeah, mostly everything feels fine.
All right, well, if nothing's bothering you, we'll see you next year.
Boy, you're really hacking up a lung there, Frank. That's not normal for you. This has been going on for a few weeks. Don't you know that persistent health changes that don't go away can be an early warning sign of cancer? Why not just talk to the doc?
Hey, I'm no wimp. It's probably nothing. I didn't want to bother him.
I don't want to bother him. It's probably nothing. Since when do you care about bothering people? I saw you do this yesterday. And you're afraid to talk to your doctor.
But it's nothing. What are you doing? Stop. Fine. I'll say something.
Hey, see? Wasn't that hard? Yeah, I'm going this way.